Let's talk about 5 programming languages for UX designers. Here are 5 programming languages that can boost your UX design career. As UX designer, it's important to stay up to date with the latest programming languages that can enhance your career. While UX design itself doesn't require coding, having a basic understanding of programming languages can be beneficial in collaborating with developers and creating more efficient designs. By familiarizing yourself with programming languages, you can better communicate your design ideas and understand the technical possibilities and limitations. In this response, we will explore 5 programming languages that can boost your UX design career. 1. HTML. HTML Hypertext Markup Language is the standard markup language used for creating web pages and applications. It provides the structure and content of a web page, defining elements such as headings, paragraphs, images, and links. 2. CSS. CSS Cascading Style Sheets is a language used to describe the presentation and styling of a document written in HTML. It allows you to control the layout, colors, fonts, and other visual aspects of a web page. 3. JavaScript. JavaScript is a versatile programming language that adds interactivity and dynamic behavior to web pages. It is commonly used for creating interactive elements, animations, and user-friendly interfaces. 4. Python. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that is widely used in various domains, including web development, data analysis, and automation. 5. Swift. Swift is a programming language developed by Apple for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS app development. If you're interested in designing user interfaces for mobile apps, learning Swift can be valuable. Thank you for watching this video.